Hi everyone, Jennifer here. I'm unboxing Londontown's Spring 2019 collection today called Dreamscape. Thank you for joining me on the Daily Connoisseur. I love Londontown. You know, these are pretty much the only nail polishes I use. I've been using them for years now and I love them. They are fluorine infused, cruelty-free, gluten-free, 9-free, and vegan. 9-free means they're free of the 9 potentially harmful chemicals that are found in traditional polishes like formaldehyde. So I have a great relationship with Londontown and they have sent me their spring collection and I'm so excited I'm unboxing it here. But first, they also sent me this new product which is their 2-in-1 hand and nail treatment. So many of you were asking about this if I had a recommendation for a serum, and this one is amazing. It's deeply hydrating. It has shea butter, which boosts the skin's natural collagen production, and it also has hydrolyzed keratin, which creates an armor that protects the hands and nails from free radicals and prevents the signs of aging. It is so great. Okay, and now let's check out the spring collection for 2019. So the theme is Dreamscape, and these are dreamy colors. This one here is called Lemonade Pop, and it's a muted pink. Very pretty. This one's Afternoon Tea. I love this one. It's a light pink cream. This one is Peach Please, and this is a pale peach cream. Lovely. So nice. This one's called Dainty Days, and it's a periwinkle blue cream. So you can see they all have the cream theme to them. So I'm just going to swatch each color on my nails so you can see the difference and compare them with one another. I really do like all of them. I've been wearing them, and even the blue. You know me, I don't really like blue. I don't usually wear the blue colors, but I really like this one. So that's the Lemonade Pop. That's the Afternoon Tea. Peach Please is on my ring finger, and Dainty Days. And these are just with one coat. Now I'm going to swatch them on both hands with 2 coats so that you can see them. Okay, starting off with the Lemonade Pop, here I go. And now I am swatching the Afternoon Tea shade. I love this. You know they do that other shade called Tea Time, and that one is lovely too. But this is more creamy, and it's very pretty. And here we go with Peach Please. This is so nice for spring. Such a pretty color. So as I'm recording the voiceover for this video, I've had Peach Please on my nails for over 10 days and there's still not even a chip. I love this nail polish. It lasts so long, especially when you use their Gel Genius base coat and top coat. It's just amazing. I can't rave about it enough. Okay, here we go with Dainty Days, and this is that periwinkle blue cream. And this is 2 coats. I really like this one too. So there you have it. I would love to hear in the comment section below what your favorite color is for spring. And I just want to thank Londontown so much for sending me your beautiful spring collection, as well as their new 2-in-1 hand and nail treatment. I love this. Don't forget to use the code JenniferS with my links below for 25% off your order. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!